What if pigs make me sneeze?
Huh?
Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.